What if the next growth opportunity in the liquid loss and weight feeder market lies beyond the current market leaders? Qlar leads the market with approximately 13% market share, followed by Coprion at 9%. Higher Scale-Hyer Industries holds around 3%, while Acrosyn and Kubota Barbender Technologies account for 2% each. The top 5 players collectively hold near 29% of the global market, indicating a fragmented competitive landscape without opportunities for emerging and specialized manufacturers. So who will capture the next opportunities? Companies delivering smarter, more precise and customized feeding solutions. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident actions. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.